Hello there, children. How are you today? Welcome to another fun learning with Today, this is very important lesson for all of you, because with the letters of the alphabet and with its sounds, you will be able to read. Children, today we are going to learn about the letters of the alphabet. This is very important in reading. Teacher Ira will give you the letter name, will give you the letter sound, and I want you to take note of them very well, because they will help you a lot in your reading. Are you ready? The letters of the alphabet are in two groups, and this is the first group. These are the vowels. These are the vowels. Letter A would say apple. Open your mouth wide and you say apple. Letter E would say elephant. Elephant. Letter I would say iguana. Iguana. Letter O would say orange. Orange. Letter U would say umbrella. Umbrella. So those are the vowels. And the second group would be the consonants. Let us begin with the consonants. Letter S would say strawberry. Strawberry. That would make a hissing sound. Next is moon. Letter M would say moon. It's a yummy letter. Next is letter L. The letter L would say lemon. Lemon. Letter F. Letter F would say flower. Flower. Next is letter T. Turtle. Turtle. Letter H. Horse. You breathe out. Horse. Next is letter C. That would say cat. Cat. Letter R. That would say rooster. Rooster. Next is letter N. Nest. Nest. Letter B would say banana. Banana. Letter G. Goat. Goat. Letter P. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Letter D. Dog. Dog. Letter J. Jet. Jet. Letter V. Van. Van. Letter W. Watermelon. Watermelon. Letter Y. Yarn. Yarn. Letter Z. Zebra. Zebra. Next is letter K. Koala. Koala. Letter Q. Queen. Queen. Letter X. Xylophone. Xylophone. Wow! So those are the letters of the alphabet. Now let me see if you can do it on your own. Kindly give me the sound of the following letters. A. Very good. You're doing well. Let's go to the consonants. Great job. You're doing well so far. Very good. Good. D. J. Good. U. T. Z. Wow, you are all amazing! Great job, kids! Now you know your letter sound. Let me see some more. Let me try some more if you can do this one. Give the correct beginning sound of the following pictures. You ready? Let us begin. Van. Is it letter B or letter V? Correct. It's letter V. Yay! You have 1 star for that. Next, watermelon. Watermelon. Is it W or Y? Watermelon. Yes, it's W. Very, very, very good. You, of course, have a star for that. Next, let's have jet. Jet. What letter says J? Is it letter J or letter H? Jet. Yes, it's letter J. Great job. Okay, another star, of course. Okay, how about fish? Fish. Is it letter P or letter F? Yes, it's letter F. That's fish. Star, of course. And then, finally, we have the moon. Is it letter M or letter N? Moon. You are definitely correct. That is letter M. Of course, you have a star for that. Great job, children. You all did a great job today. Kids, always remember that the letter sounds are very, very, very important because you are going to read by giving sounds. 1 sound and then 1 sound and then 1 sound, and you will be able to read. What are you going to do now? Just master your letter sounds. You have your homework. Study these letter sounds again, master, and then you will be able to read. Happy reading, children, and I hope you have learned something today. Bye. God bless you.